What would you see if a mirror didn't show your face and one rainy evening that changed how he saw himself forever? This story will make you think deeply about your own heart. It was a rainy evening in a small village. Raghu, a young man with a short temper, was walking back from the market. He had just shouted at a shopkeeper for no reason, threw a packet at a beggar, pushed a dog away. He was angry, always angry. As he passed an old broken house, he noticed something shining near the gate. It was a mirror, round with a silver edge, slightly cracked. He picked it up and looked into it. But what he saw shocked him. It wasn't his face, it was the face of the shopkeeper he had yelled at, looking scared. Then it showed the beggar's sad eyes. Then the dog, whimpering. Raghu dropped the mirror. What is this? He looked again. Now it showed his mother, cooking silently, tired. Then his sister, folding clothes alone, worried. This mirror wasn't showing his face. It was showing how others felt because of him. He tried to clean it, shake it, but nothing changed. Wherever he turned it, the mirror only showed the pain he had caused. With his words, actions, silence. Raghu ran home, locked himself in his room. He couldn't sleep. Next morning, he woke up and looked at the mirror again. This time, it was blank. He stepped outside and began doing small things differently. He helped his mother cut vegetables. He gave the beggar a fresh packet of biscuits. He smiled at the dog and poured water near the gate. That night, he looked at the mirror again. And now, it showed something new. A smile, the shopkeeper's thankful face, his sister laughing, his mother's peaceful eyes. The mirror was the same, but now it was reflecting something better. From that day, Raghu changed, not because someone forced him, but because he finally saw what others had been feeling all along. The mirror. He kept it in his room, not to check his hair or clothes, but to check his heart. Because sometimes the clearest mirror is not the one that shows your face. It's the one that shows your impact. If this story made you think, comment below. I will reflect kindness. And subscribe to Why It Works for stories that make you see life differently.